A voiceover is a recorded or live spoken commentary or narration that is added to a video or other visual media. Voiceovers can be used to provide information, tell a story, or guide the viewer through a video. They are a powerful tool for adding depth and context to a visual medium, and can be used in a wide range of contexts, from commercials and documentaries to instructional videos and video games. One of the most common uses for voiceovers is in documentaries. In this context, a voiceover can be used to provide background information on the subject of the film, or to offer insight into the thoughts and motivations of the people being filmed. For example, in a documentary about a historical event, a voiceover could be used to provide context and explain the significance of what is happening on screen. In a documentary about a person, a voiceover could be used to provide insight into the subject's thoughts and feelings, or to provide a narrative structure to the film. Voiceovers are also commonly used in commercials. In this context, a voiceover can be used to provide information about a product or service, or to create a sense of urgency or persuasion. For example, a voiceover in a commercial for a car might describe the car's features and benefits, or a voiceover in a commercial for a charity might ask viewers to donate. Instructional videos are another common context in which voiceovers are used. In this context, a voiceover can be used to provide step-by-step instructions on how to complete a task or use a product. For example, a voiceover in a cooking video might explain how to prepare a recipe step-by-step, or a voiceover in a video about how to use a piece of software might provide instructions on how to complete a specific task. Voiceovers are also used in video games. In this context, a voiceover can be used to provide background information about the game's story or characters, or to provide instructions on how to play the game. For example, a voiceover in a role-playing game might provide background information on the game's world and characters, or a voiceover in a first-person shooter might provide instructions on how to use different weapons and items. In general, voiceovers are an effective way to add depth and context to a visual medium. They can be used to provide background information, to offer insight into the thoughts and motivations of the people being filmed, or to provide a narrative structure to the film. They are also a powerful tool for persuasion, and can be used to create a sense of urgency or to motivate viewers to take action. There are many different types of voiceovers, each with its own set of strengths and weaknesses. For example, some voiceovers are recorded in a studio, while others are recorded on location. Studio recordings are generally considered to be of higher quality, as they can be recorded in a controlled environment with professional equipment. On the other hand, location recordings are often considered to be more natural and authentic, as they are recorded in the same environment as the action on screen. Another important consideration when choosing a voiceover is the style of the voiceover. Some voiceovers are read in a serious, authoritative tone, while others are read in a more casual, conversational tone. The style of the voiceover should be chosen to match the style of the visual medium, as well as the target audience. In addition to these factors, there are many other considerations that go into choosing a voiceover, such as the language of the voiceover, the gender of the voiceover artist, and the accent of the voiceover artist. These factors should all be considered when choosing a voiceover.